Welcome to the AFNet video sessions. AFNet is selling a lot of components to the marketplace, such as a display, a touch panel, cover glass, compute modules, driving boards, you name it. And with these components, our customers are building amazing applications for everyday use. Nevertheless, there may be a requirement in the marketplace where it is not good to build up from scratch, but to use existing solutions. And such an existing solution could be, for example, a touch monitor, completely housed, made of all the components which I mentioned. This is a very nice box with such a touch monitor inside, and I'd like to present it to you. So as you can see, this is coming straight from our warehouse, and it has already a nice transport protection, so nothing happens to the touch monitor. And inside is the touch monitor with a nice protective sheet so that nothing happens there. And we have, of course, as well, cabling. So there is a display cable to connect to your device. It is a USB cord to connect the touch panel function and a power supply. So with the touch monitor and all these cables and the power supply, you have everything needed to show something on the screen with an existing compute module, PC, whatever you like. So let's connect it and have a look at it. Okay, so let's get started. So we have the touch monitor, we have the power supply, HDMI cable and USB cable. So let's first take off carefully the protection foil, which is always applied to, of course, prevent scratches on the surface. So we have several connections at the bottom side of the touch panel. First, we of course need to have the power supply. So the power supply is equipped with an American connector. We need to exchange this for Europe. Over here in Europe, we have a different connector. So I will plug this into the socket, and then we have the power cord, which goes into the socket over here. Let's take this away. And waiting a small moment, you see the monitor is working, but it says there's no signal because we don't have any connection with the laptop yet. So this is the HDMI cord. There are nice protections on both sides, which I take off to be able to connect it. So let's take one side and connect it into the appropriate socket on the monitor. There we go. And the other one goes into the PC in this case. So let's see if we get a picture there. It recognizes the signal and we have a clear view. So that connection is for the display signal. And of course, we need to connect the touch, otherwise I can touch and nothing happens, of course. That is because we still need to connect the USB cord. And I will do this. So first we need to see how it is oriented and then plug it into the monitor. That's the right way. And then we plug it into the PC. All right. So it's recognized, and I need to change the software, so I'll be back in a moment. Okay, so now I connected the touch monitor to the cables, and as you can see over here, we have USB, we have the HDMI connection, the power cord, and there is also the option to feed with DVI or analog VGA. So the monitor understands all of these signals. And I switched the software so that we have a drawing application. And as you can see now, USB is connected. I can easily draw on top of the surface with my finger, and the software understands and draws the lines on the screen. So this touch monitor is quite special because it has a very high brightness. It is 1000 candela. In addition, it has an anti-reflective coating on the top of the glass, and it is optically bonded. And this enhances the monitor for very bright light situation. And if I can ask my assistant to give us some more light, you will see that even though the light is very bright, Still, you can recognize what is on the screen, which wouldn't be the case if the monitor is not as bright with a 1000 candela. So it's quite nice for outside and outdoor applications where you have bright sunlight and you will still be able to read what is on the display. In case that you have applications like this and any requirements, we can provide different sizes of these monitors as well. So please feel free to contact us and ask our technical specialists to give you an offer.